Hey guys, it's me Samantha with another quick video on the Anastasia Beverly Hills new highlighter. This is in the, what are they calling this? Iced out shade. I've seen a bunch of reviews on this, but to be fair, mostly on light to medium skin tones and not really on the tan to darker skin tone. And I know that it's primarily because the color of the highlighter looks scary. It looks, you know, as it says, iced out, very icy, which isn't typically very complimentary to darker skin tones. But I was still really intrigued because it says that it's supposed to look, you know, icy, but when you apply it to the skin, it has a gold to it. And so I figured, I haven't seen anybody my skin or darker really try this out, so I might as well do it. And so I have picked it up, and this is what she looks like. She is really pretty. I'm gonna probably put some photos up in the corner of what she looks like, because it's kind of hard to get the embossing with how blinding the highlighter it is in the packaging. It is really beautiful. It almost looks like it has a bluish gold tint to it, but we're gonna test this out as well as the new freeze brow. Now I did color in my brow with a pencil, and I did this one with my M Cosmetics cream brow, and I wanted to do this one with the Anastasia freeze brow to kind of compare them and see how I like them. So this is what the packaging looks like. Cute little gold top pot, and inside it's a clear product. So we're gonna start with the highlighter, and I'm gonna use my Luxie 737 tapered highlight brush, and I'm just gonna lightly brush over the embossing and see what I can pick up. That's probably too much, but we're gonna see what it looks like on the skin. I'm slightly nervous but excited. That is so funny to me. It legit looks gold on the skin. I'm adding more. Yeah, I think if you're of a tan complexion, this is gonna look fine on you. It's a gold highlighter. They're just, it's deceiving you with that icy look. I'm gonna clip my hair so that it's not in the way. You're not getting so much shadow. I hope you guys can see it on camera, how very gold it is. I don't see an iciness to it at all on the skin. Very pretty. I'm just gonna put it everywhere. Yeah, it's gold. It's a gold highlighter. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand as well, and maybe you can see that it's like white a little, but I think only if you're putting a thick layer are you going to see the white reflect on it. It's mostly just gold. So I don't know if you can see that on my hand, but that's because it's like a finger swatch, so I'm putting a thicker layer of product to get that swatch for you. You're gonna see the white, but I don't see it in real life on the face. I feel like that was a lot less eventful, but I will tell you it's a really beautiful soft shimmery formula. It's not blinding at all, and it's just pretty. It doesn't give me any kind of cast that I can see. It is very gold, yellow gold. So if you don't like that, if you're like more of a bronzy gold shade, this isn't going to be for you, but it looks good. I likes it. So let's try the brow product. And this is what it looks like in the pot, like lip balm. And I saw online they kind of take their little brush and put it in the product, and then they wipe the excess on the back top lid of it and then go in. So let's try that. It feels like a gel on the brows, and it's not smudging the pencil that's colored on underneath. I'm grabbing the excess and just adding a little bit more to make sure everything is fully combed in. And it looks really good. I actually feel like this is stiffer than my Patrick Ta sculpting brow tint stuff, because it's more of like a hair gel type of thing, that it keeps it more stiff. But I wanted to compare it to my M Cosmetics cream brow, because honestly that probably keeps my hairs on my brows more stiff than the Patrick Ta. So I'm really like, these are more stiff, they're not standing anymore, they're already starting to fall. So I think so far this looks good. I will check in a little bit, like 20 minutes, because it literally will take 20 minutes. My brows will start getting heavy, and we'll see if they have stayed up. And then I'll wear it a little longer, and I'll put a pinned comment down below with how long I felt like they stayed standing. I'm not going to press them to my skin laminated, because I typically don't do that, and I don't want to veer too off of my standard routine just to make the product work. I want to see if it's going to work the way that I would normally use it. So okay guys, so my brows are still standing. They are completely dry. It's been about 30 minutes, and I think this works really, really well. I will again put a pinned comment below about how long they last like this, but I think it's really, really good. I'm quite happy with the look. So until next time, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and love you guys. Bye.